Chiranjeevi was born in Mogaltur, a small village near Narsapur, West Godavari. His father worked as constable and got transferred on a regular basis. He spent his childhood in native village with his grandparents. Chiranjeevi did his schooling in Nidavolu, Gurjala, Bapatla, Ponnuru, Mangalgiri and Mogaltur. He was an NCC cadet. Chiranjeevi had participated in the Republic Day parade in New Delhi as an NCC cadet in the early 70s. He was interested in acting from very young age. He did his intermediate TSR Sharma College in Ongole. After graduating with a degree in commerce from Sri YN College at Narsapur, Chiranjeevi moved to Chennai and joined the Madras Film Institute in 1976 to pursue a career in acting. Since his family worshipped Anjaneya, a Hindu deity, his mother advised him to take the screen name Chiranjeevi, meaning live forever, a reference to belief of Hanuman living forever. He has two daughters, Sushmita and Srija, and a son, Ram Charan Tej, also an actor in Tollywood. One of Chiranjeevi brothers, Nagendra Babu, is a film producer and also has acted in several films. His youngest brother, Pawan Kalyan, is an actor in Tollywood too. Allu Arvind, his brother-in-law, is a film producer. Chiranjeevi is the uncle of Allu Arjun, Allu Sirish, Varun Tej and Sai Dharam Tej. Chiranjeevi started his film career with Punadi Rallu. However, his first released film was Pranam Kharidu. Chiranjeevi began to appear in lead roles with films such as Intlo Ramayya Vidilo Krishnayya, directed by Koti Ramakrishna, which was a hit at the box office. Kaidi was a box office success and Chiranjeevi attained stardom with this movie. In 1984, Chiranjeevi continued doing action films. In 1985, he received his second Filmfare Award for Best Actor for Vijayata. Chiranjeevi received his first Nandi Award for Best Actor for Swayam Krushi. Which were box office hits and led Chiranjeevi being regarded as boss of Telugu cinema. Chiranjeevi did not star in any film for approximately 10 years, during which he embarked on his political career. During these 10 years, he has made only 2 cameo appearances in films starring in his son Ram Charan. Chiranjeevi made his debut as television host with 4th season of Meelo Evaru Koteswarudu. The first episode of 4th season was aired on 13th February 2017. The game show, a Telugu version of Kaun Banega Crorepati, will be telecasted on Ma TV. In 2008, Chiranjeevi started Prajarajyam, a political party in the state of Andhra Pradesh. At the launch, he stated that social justice was the main agenda of his party. In the 2009 general elections, the party won 18 of the 295 seats in the Andhra Pradesh State Assembly. He was elected a member of the State Assembly from Tirupati. On 6th February 2011, Chiranjeevi merged the 30-month-old Prajarajyam party with the Indian National Congress. After more than 1 year of merging his party into Congress, he was nominated to Rajya Sabha on 29 March 2012. He got elected and took the oath as a Rajya Sabha member on 3rd April 2012. On 28 October 2012, he was sworn in as the Union Minister of State, Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. On 2nd October 1998, he founded the Chiranjeevi Charitable Trust, which includes Chiranjeevi Blood and Eye Banks. It is the state's largest recipient of blood and eye donations. The trust has made over 68,000 blood donations and 1,414 eye donations. The blood bank of the CCT has helped over 80,000 people, and the eye bank has helped about 1,000 people in the state of Andhra Pradesh since its opening. CCT has also won the Best Voluntary Blood Bank Award by the AP state government for the past 4 years. On 10th June 2006, then President of India Abdul Kalam inaugurated the Chiranjeevi Charitable Foundation at the Jubilee Hills checkpost in Hyderabad. Director K. Balachandar said Chiranjeevi has both Kamal Haasan and Rajinikanth in him. Not only can he do action, he can also act. Chiranjeevi received the Padma Bhushan, the third highest civilian honor in India, in the year 2006. He was awarded an honorary doctorate by Andhra University in the same year. He is a 10-time winner of Filmfare Awards South and a 4-time winner of Nandi Awards. In 2014, he was awarded International Face of Indian Cinema at the 3rd South Indian International Movie Awards. He was the first actor from South India to be invited to the Oscars ceremony in 1987. ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.